Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about the economy.
That sounds serious, but don't worry, we're not opening a giant spreadsheet.
Haha, good. The economy is simply how money, jobs, businesses, and trade work together.
And it affects everyday life, from grocery prices to job opportunities.
One useful word is inflation.
Inflation means prices are rising over time, so your money buys less.
My shopping bag feels lighter, but the receipt feels heavier.
Exactly. That is the cost of living going up.
Another common term is interest rate.
An interest rate is the cost of borrowing money, especially for a home loan.
When interest rates rise, loan repayments can rise too.
That can reduce disposable income, which is the money left after essential expenses.
So people may cut back on eating out, shopping, or travel.
Yes, and that lower spending can slow economic growth.
Economic growth means the country is producing and earning more.
A common measure of growth is GDP, or Gross Domestic Product.
GDP sounds complicated, but it measures the value of goods and services produced.
When GDP falls for a while, people may start talking about a downturn.
And a serious, longer slowdown may be called a recession.
During a recession, businesses may earn less and unemployment may rise.
The labor market tells us how strong or weak the job situation is.
A tight labor market means employers may struggle to find enough workers.
That can push wages higher because skilled workers are in demand.
Demand means how much people want something, while supply means how much is available.
If demand is high and supply is low, prices often rise.
Like concert tickets, rental homes, or the last decent avocado at the shop.
The avocado economy is very competitive.
Another useful phrase is consumer confidence.
Consumer confidence shows how positive people feel about spending and the future.
When confidence is low, people often save more and spend less.
Governments may respond with stimulus, such as extra spending or financial support.
Central banks may also change interest rates to influence inflation and growth.
An economy can move through a boom, a slowdown, a recession, and a recovery.
A recovery begins when jobs, spending, and business activity start improving again.
Now let's practice some useful economy sentences.
Speak clearly, follow the rhythm, and let the vocabulary become natural.
Inflation is making everyday essentials more expensive.
Higher interest rates can increase home loan repayments.
I'm cutting back because the cost of living has risen.
Consumer confidence is low at the moment.
The economy is growing, but many families still feel pressure.
A strong labor market usually creates more job opportunities.
Demand is high, but the supply is limited.
Businesses are trying to improve productivity.
The country may be heading into an economic downturn.
Unemployment often rises during a recession.
My disposable income has fallen this year.
The government introduced measures to support the recovery.
Wages are rising, but prices are rising too.
Economic growth has started to slow.
People are becoming more careful with their spending.
Great work completing today's shadowing practice.
You have just used some powerful economy vocabulary.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice the meaning, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Speak out loud, even when your voice feels a little unsure.
Each repetition will make these expressions easier to use.
Keep practicing until the sentences feel natural.
See you in the next lesson.